Alright, I'm doing a bike check, and my bike is DK Helio. Helio, I think that's what it's called. I don't know. But, I'll start from the top and then go down from there. I have ODI grips. Then I have an Odyssey brake lever. Then a Shadow brake cable. Then my headset is DK. Rims DK. Tire DK. Frame DK. Then my seat is a Pivotal UGP cable. Then my cranks are DK, and my pedals are DK too. And I have a purple chain. Yeah, so cool. Brakes DK. All stock parts, mostly. Back rim DK. Back tire DK. And rocket DK, getting a new one soon. And that's about it. Hope you like my bike. Okay, I guess. Perfect for me. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe. Bye.